Welcome to this English learning series. In this lesson, we'll explore how you can use your favorite movies and TV shows as powerful tools to improve your English skills. Entertainment can be one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to learn a language. So, let's discover how to turn your screen time into productive learning time. There are several important reasons why movies and TV shows are excellent for learning English. First, you get natural exposure to the language. You hear native speakers using English the way it's actually spoken in real conversations. Second, you learn about culture at the same time. You understand customs, traditions, and social norms that English speakers follow. Third, learning this way is fun and engaging. You're not studying from a textbook, you're watching stories you enjoy. Finally, it's flexible. You can learn at your own pace, whenever and wherever you want. One of the biggest advantages of learning from movies and TV is getting real-world vocabulary. Words don't appear in isolation, they come with visual context. You see and hear the same words used multiple times across different episodes or movies, which helps your brain remember them naturally. This repeated exposure is much more effective than memorizing words from a list. Movies and TV shows expose you to different English accents and speaking styles. You can learn American English with its clear speech patterns and common expressions. You can also learn British English with its distinct accent and formal speech patterns. You'll hear how actors deliver words with different intonation and emotion. This helps you understand rhythm and stress in English. You can even practice shadowing, which means speaking along with the actors to improve your own pronunciation naturally. Learning vocabulary through movies is powerful because words appear in context. You see what words mean through the visuals on screen, which helps you remember them longer. You discover how the same word can be used in different ways. You learn idioms and slang expressions that you'd never find in a textbook, but which native speakers use every day. And because you hear these words repeated across episodes or movies, they stick in your memory much better than traditional vocabulary study. English is not just about words and grammar. It's about understanding the culture behind the language. Through movies and TV shows, you learn about real-life customs, holidays, traditions, and social norms of English-speaking countries. You understand cultural references and jokes that native speakers make. This deeper understanding helps you connect with English speakers on a more meaningful level and makes you a more confident communicator. There are two ways to watch movies and TV for learning. Passive watching means you simply enjoy the story, let the language flow, and absorb it naturally. This builds familiarity with the language without stress. Active watching means you focus specifically on the language. You take notes, look for patterns, and analyze how native speakers speak. The most effective approach combines both. Start by watching passively to enjoy the content, then watch actively to focus on language, and repeat this cycle. You can also pause and repeat scenes to practice your own pronunciation. Here are some practical strategies to make your learning more effective. Start with movies or shows you've already seen or that you really love. This keeps you motivated and helps you focus on language instead of trying to follow a confusing story. Use subtitles strategically. Start with English subtitles and English audio. This helps you connect what you hear with what you read. Watch in short sessions. 15 to 20 minutes of active viewing daily is much better than marathon sessions. Regular practice builds stronger habits and improves retention. Choosing the right content matters for your learning. Look for shows with clear speech and good audio quality. Sitcoms and dramas are excellent choices because the dialogue is clear and easy to understand. Series are better than movies because repeated characters and vocabulary help you learn faster. Watch popular modern content so you learn current slang and expressions that people actually use today. Avoid content with heavy accents or unclear audio if you're a beginner. Different types of content teach you different aspects of English. Sitcom dialogues feature fast, casual speech and everyday expressions. They're perfect for learning how people actually talk. Drama scenes teach you emotional vocabulary and relationship terms, helping you understand how to express feelings. Period pieces use more formal language and give you historical context. Documentary-style content teaches you explanatory speech with topic-specific vocabulary and clear narration. Choose based on what you want to improve. Now it's time to start. Pick one show or movie that you love. Watch it passively with English subtitles to enjoy the story and get familiar with the language. Then, rewatch it actively, taking notes on new words and expressions. Practice shadowing, which means speaking along with key scenes to improve your pronunciation. Most importantly, enjoy your learning journey. The more you enjoy what you're watching, the more effectively you'll learn. Start today and make entertainment your most powerful English learning tool.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.